Hi, Sarita.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
Yeah, I'm also doing good. So, Ashish, before we proceed, can you please tell me something about yourself?
Yeah, of course. My name is Ashish. I am from Odisha. I have my own business and I I love to travel. I love to travel around the world. I love to meet with new people. I
That's
want to explore the world.
so nice of you. So, what business you own?
I have my own shopping mall, garments. It's a garment shop.
Oh, that's
Yeah.
that's, that's very
And
good. That's very good.
and what about you?
I'm Sarita, and I'm basically from Haryana. And recently, I have started my spoken English journey.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes, so it's all about me right now. So Ashish, when
Yeah.
this idea come in your mind that you should start speaking English?
Actually, as I told you that I love to travel, and I think if you travel abroad, you should know English
Yes.
in order to communicate with the people.
Okay.
So I thought that I should learn English.
Yes, yes, it's very necessary.
Yeah. Did you like travel?
No, not at all. I'm not that traveling type of person.
Oh.
So, but all states you have traveled till now, or countries if you have traveled?
In India, I have traveled almost all part of India. I have traveled to Goa. I have traveled to Delhi. I have traveled to West Bengal. Traveled to Sikkim, Darjeeling, almost all part of India. But I was planning next year travel to abroad.
So, where do you want to
In
go?
my bucket list, four countries are there in 2022.
Okay.
First one is Singapore, second one is Thailand, Cambodia, and Nepal.
What is the third one?
Third one is Cambodia.
Cambodia. Yeah, you have
Yeah,
a
yeah,
different you have a different bucket list, huh?
yeah, yeah.
Because yeah, Singapore everyone like. Nepal is also good, but I
Uh,
haven't heard about Cambodia.
I choose Nepal because I want to travel to Nepal by train. I want to explore. I want to experience how you can travel by train from one country to another country.
That's great.
I want to experience the train journey.
Great. So, but
As
I
you,
want to know about Cambodia because I haven't heard anything about Cambodia. So, what's new there?
yeah,
What is the interesting thing?
everything is interesting there. I I want to go there because if you want a party man, you should go
Okay.
there.
Okay.
I love to make party with my
Okay.
friends.
Okay. Okay. That's nice. That's nice. So, if we talk about South India, what all states you have
Yeah,
traveled till now?
South India. I have traveled. I have not. I have been to the Visakhapatnam, Andhra
Okay.
Pradesh,
Hmm.
Tamil Nadu.
Oh.
Yes,
So these all states you have traveled because of your business or because you love to travel, you want to explore the different places.
no. Sometime because of business, and sometime I want to love to travel. I went to Goa because I love there.
Yes,
I
yes.
love to go there, and because of business, in case business, I only travel Raipur, Chhattisgarh.
Mhm.
You must have heard about it,
Yes.
and Gujarat, Surat. As you Surat, Surat
Surat,
is
yes.
famous for
Surat is a
yes, Surat is
city
famous
of clothes.
textile industry,
Yes.
cloth. Yeah.
It's true, true, true. Okay, so except traveling, what is your hobby after traveling?
After traveling, I sometimes read books and love to watch movie.
Okay. So what is the recent movie you have watched?
Recent movie I have watched all type of movie. Recently, I started to watch English movie. Because I want to learn English.
Okay,
So
that's
I
nice.
tried. I also tried some web series also, like Friends.
Friends is everyone's favorite.
Yes.
I haven't seen that web series yet, but yes, I'm also planning to watch that web series because I have heard a lot about that web series that it's helping English learners a lot.
Yes. Yes.
Yes,
It's
yes.
helping a lot. And what's your hobby?
My hobbies are very simple. I just love to listening to songs and I love to dance. That's it. And
Oh.
nowadays I'm crazy
And
about
what?
speaking English.
No,
Yes.
I know. What do you do? You are a student or you work
No.
somewhere?
Currently, I am a homemaker, but yes, I am planning to do something innovative in my life. So yes, I have started working on that. But I think this
Yes.
is not the right time that I should discuss that thing. Once I'll be successful in that thing, I'll definitely let you know.
Hope so. You will successful.
Yes, yes.
And what about the situation of coronavirus in your state?
I think it's coming down because now
Coming down.
everything has come out of the lockdown situation and cases are also coming down, mortality rate is also coming down, so it's okay now.
Okay. Is there lockdown still going on there?
No, everything is open now, there is no lockdown.
But we are suffering from lockdown.
Yes, I think it's till 15th
17.
till 17th. Yes, and I think
17.
now
Yeah.
2 states are under lockdown, it's West Bengal and it's Odisha only.
Odisha. Yeah. You are
Yes.
right.
So
I
it's
want
completely
to
locked
ask
down.
you one.
Yeah. Tell me, please.
Yeah. It's completely lockdown.
Yeah.
How you could you tell me how can you record this session in Zoom app?
Okay. So I have created an account. There I just need to
Yes.
schedule a meeting. I just schedule the meeting, then automatically a link generates. Then from that Zoom website only, we can share that Zoom link to the person who we want to communicate.
No. I want to know about the recording portion.
Yes,
How to record
there is an option.
the
There
video.
is an option that do you want to record this video? Then you just need to check that option, and it's automatically starts recording.
Okay. Thank
So
you.
are you
Actually,
also
I am
running
not
a
familiar.
YouTube channel?
No, I am thinking to running a YouTube channel.
Yeah. So it's very
So
easy.
that's why I have.
Very easy.
Okay. Thank you for your information. I am not familiar about this app.
Okay. No, it's very easy. I
No.
haven't tried Skype. People ask me a lot about Skype as well, but I am much more comfortable in Zoom, and Zoom gives us that professional feeling also that yes, we are doing something professionally actually. So I like
Yes,
Zoom.
of course.
Yes.
Okay.
So you are planning to start English channel only, related to English language
Yes,
or anything else?
right now I am planning to English channel.
Okay.
Many of my friends also told me that you should start an English channel. I also said many of my friends to subscribe to your channel.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Ashish.
Some of my friend already have subscribed your channel.
Oh, thank you so much.
And they will soon watch our video also. I hope.
Yes, they will definitely. So, okay, one more thing I wanted to ask, but it skipped off my mind. What I wanted to, it was about, it was related to YouTube channel only. So yeah, when you are planning to start your YouTube channel?
I have created my YouTube channel.
Achha, you have already created. Then what is the name?
Created, but it's Mission English.
Mission English.
Mission.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you
But
have
I have not
posted any video there?
No. I have not posted any video yet.
Okay.
I have my conversation. I have also requested to Cambly F.
Okay.
To please provide some video that I have talked with my teacher.
Okay, you are taking Cambly classes as well.
Yes, I am taking Cambly classes as well and Clappingo.
Yes, I was coming to Clappingo part only because nowadays Clappingo is very famous.
Clappingo is very famous and it is cheaper now as compared to Cambly.
Yes. See, I also tried Clappingo demos. I took 2 demos from there. So for the people like us, I found this conversation better than Clappingo. I don't know why, but this
Oh.
conversation is giving good experience to me.
Yeah, it's in Clappingo, you know, you found uh, uh, most of the people are from India. I
Yes.
think so.
Yes.
Am I right?
Yes, yes, true.
Yeah.
True.
So it is easy to talk with them.
Yes, it's easy, and except that I think they provide only 15-minute session in a day, and
Where
only
in
the
Clappingo?
Clappingo. Yes, yes.
No, I have subscribed 25 minutes.
25 minutes. Okay,
Yeah.
okay. Then demo session was of 15 minutes. Sorry.
Maybe, huh? Maybe.
Yes, yes, yes. But is it fruitful that conversing only 15 minutes can help us? Is it?
I don't think so. If you only conversation 15 minutes and if you don't practice anymore,
Yes.
then it will not
Then
be
it's not
fruitful.
going to
I
work.
think.
Yeah. Actually,
Yeah.
YouTube has given us a great platform. Like you,
Platform. Yeah.
yes, if you are planning to start your channel, or you have already actually started your channel, so you are doing a good thing. Actually, it will going to help you and other people as well.
Yeah. Actually, I never thought that I would start a channel. Many of my friends, when they saw when they saw my recording session on Clappingo, you know, then they said me to you should start a YouTube channel.
Yes, you should. It will definitely going to help you a lot.
Yeah.
See, when
It will
yeah,
not only helpful to me but also helpful to other people, you know.
Yes, yes, true, true. Because
They will.
when I started my spoken English journey, I also inspired by the people who were conversing on that platform.
Yeah.
Yes, so it's a very nice idea. You should start posting your videos quickly, as soon as possible.
Yeah.
So when Cambly is going to give you your recordings?
They will give me, I think, in 1 or 2 days.
Okay, and when did
After
you
1 or
start
2 days.
taking classes?
Sorry, I didn't get you.
Okay, when did you start taking your Cambly classes? Since long you are taking classes?
I started from last week.
From last week only?
Yeah.
Okay. So, Cambly, who gave you Cambly idea? Any of your friends using Cambly?
You people are giving me about the Cambly idea, you know.
Yes. True. Yes, people
I
see you on
watch
the
in,
YouTube.
yes, yes.
True, true.
I watch in YouTube and I know about Cambly and Clappingo. One Ingo Epic also there.
Yes, Ingo is
Have
also
you heard
there,
about
and
it?
I have also tried their demo session. You should also try. They are also native speakers, but then
I have also
but they
I
don't
have also tried that demo,
but they don't provide
demo
recording.
session. Yes, that's the drawback.
Yes,
you can say.
Yes. And they give 30 minutes demo session. That's the best part.
30-minute demos. Yeah, yeah.
Yes, yes. And are you using that Hello app also?
No, I am not using it.
I'm using that Hello app. That is a voice call app.
Is it helpful?
Yes, it is really helpful. There are so many there are tutors available as well, and the students like us also there. So if we select tutors, then we need to pay them some money. But if we talk to people like us who are students, then we don't need to pay anything to them. So I select students like us, and then I speak to the people. There are so many native speakers, and their Indians are also available there. So you should also try that app.
So, I will definitely try it. So it's an audio call.
Yes, audio. It's first.
I will try it. I will
Yes,
try it.
you should
Thank
try.
Thank you for suggest me.
Yes. So nowadays, how's your business going on?
You can say, you know, because of lockdown,
It's not
all not so good, you know.
actually this
But
lockdown has
I
impacted.
but we are planning what we will do after the what we'll do something new after the lockdown.
Okay, okay.
One good thing about this lockdown is that I got some time to speak English.
Yes.
Only that is.
Yes. Maybe this lockdown has given us a lot of time to think about ourselves.
Actually, really.
Yes. Yes.
You're
Now
right.
we are working on our skills actually. Before that, we were
Yeah.
busy in our life. We were just running behind, some were running behind money, some were running behind some other things. But now this lockdown has taught us that, okay, you should give some time to yourself also.
Yes, sir. You're
Yes.
right.
Or many of the people have taken advantage of this lockdown as well. Like we people are
Yeah,
enhancing
many.
our skills. Yes. And many of my
And
friends have started online business as well.
oh, it's great.
Yes.
And I think many of the people also have suffered from this lockdown, you know.
That is
They got
100%.
depressed.
Man, most of the people have suffered. Many people lost their
So-
jobs, their lives, their business.
Like, yeah.
Yes. And don't know when it's going to over.
Yeah.
There is no idea. So anything
So
else,
you are
Ashish, you
lucky.
wanna ask? Or we should call it for
No,
the day?
everything. No, everything is fine. Hope nice to talk with you, and hope we will talk again.
Yes, we will definitely see this. This is our just introductory session. Soon we will come up with a topic and then we will talk on that topic.
Okay.
So it's nice talking to Ashish. Thank you so much for your precious
Nice
time.
to talk with you. Thank you. Thank you.
Take care. Bye-bye.